History. Willys-Overland Motors, commonly known as Willys, has a storied history rooted in the early 20th century. The company was founded by John North Willys in 1908. Willys initially started as a sales agency for overland cars and later ventured into manufacturing vehicles. In 1912, the company introduced its first car, the Willys-Knight, which featured a unique sleeve valve engine. Early success. Willys gained significant early success by producing reliable and affordable vehicles. The company's Willys-Knight series, known for its quiet and smooth sleeve valve engines, gained popularity. During World War I, Willys supplied the U.S. military with the Willys MB, a rugged and versatile vehicle that played a crucial role and eventually led to the iconic Jeep. Best inventions. Willys' most iconic invention is undoubtedly the Jeep. In the early 1940s, during World War II, Willys and other manufacturers developed the Willys MB, which became the foundation for the modern Jeep. The Jeep's ruggedness, off-road capabilities, and versatility made it an invaluable military vehicle. After the war, the Jeep CJ civilian Jeep was introduced for the civilian market, laying the groundwork for today's Jeep brand. The fall. Willys went through a series of changes and mergers over the years. It became Willys-Overland Corporation in 1912 and later, Willys-Overland Motors. In 1953, the company merged with Kaiser Frazer Corporation to become Willys Motors Incorporated. Eventually, in 1963, it was fully acquired by the American Motors Corporation (AMC). The Willys name gradually faded as AMC and, later, Chrysler took control of the Jeep brand.